One of the most powerful ways to transform your home is by taking out the traditional internal doors and replacing them with Doors Plus barn doors. These stunning solid timber barn doors are hung on a stylish track and slide smoothly along the wall to open up the entryway. This practical solution maximises your floor space and gives you the flexibility to open up your rooms for more sociable living or close the door for a more private and intimate space.
With 4 unique designs and 11 different rail options, our Glengary collection is a great way to transform your home and is sure to be a great talking point.
You can take it even further by doubling up on the doors. A stunning double set of our sliding barn doors not only gives you versatility when it comes to your living areas, but they also make a striking statement in their own right. When open, your doors slide against the wall and create an eye-catching feature wall with timeless style and character.
Transform your home today by visiting a Doors Plus showroom and book your free measure and quote.